Good morning, class 7. So, as we have finished with this lesson, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, that is Unit 5, Section 2. So, now we are going to start with the vocabulary part. So, you write down today is 16th Wednesday, and the name of the lesson is Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Unit 5, Section 2. I'm going to give you some extra word meanings as I do it in every lesson. So you can write down the extra word meanings. Now, what do you mean by launched? Launched is to start something new. That is called launching. Okay. Number 2, well versed. Well versed means highly experienced or skilled person. Highly experienced, practiced, or skilled. Number 3, treat. It was a treat for him to work as an assistant. So here treat means not the behavior. Here it means something special or enjoyable. Or enjoyable. Laureate. Fourth is the word laureate. Nobel laureate. So he was a Nobel laureate. When he was working under Sir C.V. Raman, it was a treat for him because he was enjoying that special time. He was working as an assistant with C.V. Raman, and because he, as such, he was also a great Nobel laureate. Laureate means who has been given a high honor. A high official honor, उसको हम laureate बोलते हैं, Nobel laureate. Terrestrial, you understand, it is related to the earth. So the fifth word is accurate. Accurate means exact or correct. Sixth, so sixth word is conducive. Here conducive means favorable or helpful. Seventh word is constituted. Bache, you have to learn all these word meanings. I have given you these extra word meanings, and it is your duty to learn all these. Write down in your notebooks and complete your work and send it, the notebooks, in a PDF form for checking. So constituted means add up to. recognized. Eighth word is recognized. That means to acknowledge. So these words, I stop here. These are some extra word meanings, and now we come to the comprehension part. Write down comprehension. Answer number 1. Why were the teachers sure that Vikram would make his mark as a scientist? Why were teachers sure? Teachers were sure that Vikram would teachers were teachers were sure that Vikram would make his mark as a scientist because he was very good at his studies, especially in science. So, he was very good at his studies, especially in science. That's it. No need to write anymore. So, answer number 2. What did Vikram do when his friends read storybooks? Vikram used to read about the achievements of great scientists. When his friends read story books. So what he used to do, he used to read about the achievements of great scientists when his friends read storybooks. ठीक है? Answer number 3. For what work Vikram Sarabhai was awarded PhD degree? For what work? What he has done that he was awarded the PhD degree? So you will start writing in 1943. At the age of 23, he went up the Himalayan mountains to conduct experiments on cosmic rays. and he was successful in his efforts. So, in 1943, at the age of 23, he went up to the Himalayan mountains to conduct experiments on cosmic rays, and he was successful in his efforts. For this, he was awarded PhD by the Cambridge University. In 1947. Answer number 4. How can you say that Sarabhai was friendly with his students? How can you say that? As a teacher, he was almost worshipped. He was so friendly with them. As a teacher, Dr. Sarabhai was almost worshipped by the students. He was so friendly with them that he could often be seen sitting with them discussing their problems. At a cafeteria. So, as a teacher, he was almost worshipped by the students. He was so friendly that he could often be seen sitting with them, discussing their problems at the cafeteria. Now, answer number 5. What was Sarabhai's first achievement at ISRO? Sarabhai's first achievement at ISRO was setting up the first rocket launching station at Thumba. This was the first achievement at ISRO, and similarly the second station was set up at similarly the second
Shalimar, prepare 1, 2, 3 sample.
the second station was set up at Sri Hari Kota in Andhra Pradesh. It was set up in Sri Hari Kota in Andhra Pradesh, close to Chennai. Answer number 6. Which position was the most crucial in Sarabhai's life? He was made the chairman of the UN conference on outer space in 1968. He was made the chairman of UN Conference on Outer Space in 1968. It was a very prestigious as well as the most crucial in Sarabhai's life. He was made the chairman of UN Conference on Outer Space in 1968. It was a very prestigious as well as the most crucial position in Sarabhai's life. So with this we have completed all the question answers and the vocabulary part I have given you. I have provided you some extra word meanings and I do in every lesson. So now you are required to learn all these. Well prepare your notebooks, complete your written work and send all the checking work in a PDF form to me. Launched is to start something new. Well versed means highly experienced, practiced or skilled. Treat here means something special or enjoyable. Laureate means who has been given a high official honor. Accurate means exact or correct. Conducive, favorable or helpful. Constituted, add up to. Recognized is to acknowledge something. So I have explained each and every answer to you. Now it's your duty to complete your work. So there are 6 questions in total and some extra questions can be formed that we will do in the next lecture. So I think for today it's quite more than enough.